Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are here to go through some of the things that Nkre have said, what Nkre have done, and the way he tried to justify that that lawsuit that he sued Biafrans because, according to him, they used Brigi against his wish. I want you to see what I'm saying. We are going to spend time on this video. Please don't rush. Give time. Let's do this together so you can see what I'm seeing. We have a lot to talk about, as the title suggests. Deep exposition, Nkre, and falsehood, now 5 and 6. That is the title of this video, and I'm gonna stand on that. The reason is because we have something to say. We have something to discuss on this video, even though we try my best to manage the minutes, but I cannot guarantee it's not gonna be a few minutes like that. So just like I said, bear with me and all that. So we are gonna go straight to the program. All right. So make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Very, very, very important that. So we are going to start from the minutes 20. All right, from the Nkre video, because the other part is where he was sounding like somebody who is drunk, or maybe who came back last night drunk and just woke up in the morning trying to start his day. So I don't want to start from that part. Let's go straight for this part.
You are chosen. If you are among the chosen ones that have come to liberate this great nation, Biafra, kudos to you and the entire Biafrans that are not able or unable to do what you are doing. I appreciate you. You should be proud of yourself, appreciate yourself, love everything you are doing, because you are working to save humanity. You are working to save the people of Biafra, to save yourself, your lineage, and those that love freedom. Because whoever wants freedom and want to be free, if you ask for it and work towards it, you will be free. And for whoever don't want to be free and want to live in perpetual bondage of slavery, that person will remain a slave. So kudos to you. We appreciate you. And we also appreciate our leaders before us. And we remember our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. We remember our leader, Ojukwu. We can't forget him, accompanied by our leader, Philip Effiong. When we at Washington, D.C. 2 days ago, we make sure we took their picture there so that they are present for a place that they have dreamed to be, a place that they have yearned to be for some time. While we are there, they are there with us. Everything we are doing in spirit, they are there with us. And we send a strong message that Biafra is here. And we also send a strong message in what.
I don't think that Philip Effiong and Ojukwu dream to be there, especially in the manner that you yourself find yourself there, the manner in which you guys, went there and everything you did. I don't think they wish to be part and parcel of it. And I will tell you why, because they don't believe in lies. Everything they did during that time that has to do with Biafra, I hardly speak lies from that. So, and you yourself, you knew that what you did there is not, you are not genuine in what you're saying. Don't worry, we're going to get there.
Thing that Biafra will be American best ally, especially in Africa, or you say in the Sahel, Western Africa. For those that are able to watch the event, you always see, you also Biafran flag flying there, alongside with American flag and pictures of these great leaders. One thing I just want to tell my fellow citizens is that please, if you are one of those that are sabotaging Biafra, stop. Stop for your own benefit. Stop for your own goodness, because it will not be well with you.
Why is it that everybody that is actually sabotaging will always want to talk about sabotage? So you don't see what you are doing as sabotage, from finance minister to APM, that is illegal. From APM to changing documents, that is illegal. From resident agent to president. From that to remove names of PM Samanekpa. And you prove that the name that you refused, PM name that you refused, you removed from the document, is the reason why you are doing what you are doing. Because you have lied to people that did not remove names, that PM name was not mentioned in the list of the name that you removed. But in the document, he was not mentioned. And for you now to begin to ask Biafrans, why are they even Biafran, those that are following you, to cast vote if they're gonna, to support, if you are gonna carry on the lawsuit, or you are going to drop it. You ask them to vote. You are saying that because you don't believe that PM is your leader anymore. So to you, you are the owner of it, and you are trying to take the opinion of Biafrans. That's why I say you're a liar, a deadly liar. Some people, I've seen some people say that you're a pathological liar. Maybe you are a pathological liar, but I think you are very, very deadly when it comes to lies. You told Biafrans that your PM is your PM. He's your leader. Hardly you don't mention his name anymore. Few months ago, you don't talk about him. And I can see here in this video, you are trying to mock COS for calling PM Odogu, which you can't call. He said you should drop the lawsuit. You refuse to drop the lawsuit. Now, you are now telling the Otogi they should vote if you are going to carry on, meaning that you're going to reject the order from PM, carry on with them or not. Remember the cabinet meeting where PM asked you, what do you have to say about Sona Parawa's actions against you, COS? You were like, PM, if you say that is good, is good. If you say that is wrong, is wrong. That you are my PM. What you say is what we believe. You refuse to answer that question. Why don't you then ask PM? Okay, PM, you judging by what you believe now. Why can we ask people reference to vote who is support or who is against? Then you were able to rely on PM decision and his order. Now you are not stepping away from that because you need Oshi digging over. And then you cannot go in. God will do this. God will do that. My question to you is, what has changed? If we see all this your group, all this your vegetable, you can lie to them and use them. I am one of those. I am one of thousands of Biafrans that are able to retain information. I don't write what you said. I don't keep documents, but my brain is still intact in terms of remembering what you did and what you said. So for you to say that in that cabinet meeting that CS presented that clip, and I wish that I can lay hand on that clip again now, because man, it can't make sense. Just imagine mistakenly CS post that video now. I will be the happiest person. You know why? Because that reveals who you are. When PM asks you a question, please, if you are close to DPM, can you request that video from her? If possible. I'm just begging, please. Because it's going to go a long way to reveal to Biafran that are sensible enough. Their brain. You could go and penetrate. Polybag. They can't listen. Because this guy here, Nkre, who always hide his camera when he wants to commit atrocities, begin to sound like he's talking like he's somewhere in a third world country, because the network, the network signal, or his phone network system that he's using, that he used in this live broadcast in his speech, shows that he's somewhere in third world country. Think about it, because I can see him going. The network is up and down, up and down. Let's see. He told PM my PM, if you say that, no problem, let's go by it. And listen, because I don't want it to be too long, I can go on and on. Like I said, even if this video is gonna be 1 hour, I don't mind to make sure that I get out what I, because I don't have time to start running program on this, repeating it again. I don't like repeating what I've said before on the live broadcast. We have done a video on this, but not as detailed as what we're about to do now. Pay attention.
Along the line, you will have injury. Along the line, you will be hurt one way or the other. It might not be now. Now you might be smiling, sabotaging this great movement, doing whatever you can. But along the road, you will be injured. I received series of messages from one of those that are accompanying Ngozi Orabeze to destroy this great cause, this great fight. They be sending me messages to please forgive, please, that I will find a place in my heart to.
As a liar, he said he received series of messages. Let me take it back again. He received series of messages, and he ended up telling you one of those. Listen, I don't understand that grammar, but you help me explain it on comment section, please.
Be for some time. While we are there, they are there with us. Everything we are doing.
I think I drag it too much.
Company Ngozi Orabeze to destroy this group.
Let's start from here. Just a little bit. Let me take it back.
You are working to save the people of Biafra.
Now listen.
To save yourself, your lineage, and those that love freedom. Because whoever want freedom and want to be free, if you ask for it and work towards it, you will be free. And for whoever don't want to be free and want to live in perpetual bondage of slavery, that person will remain a slave. So kudos to you. We appreciate you. And we also appreciate our leaders before us. And we remember our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. We remember our leader, Ojukwu. We can't forget him, accompanied by our leader, Philip Effiong. When we at Washington, D.C. 2 days ago, we make sure we took their picture there so that they are present for a place that they have dreamed to be, a place that they have yearned to be for some time. While we are there, they are there with us. Everything we are doing in spirit, they are there with us. And we send a strong message that Biafra is here. And we also send a strong message in Washington that Biafra will be American best ally, especially in Africa, or you say in the Sahel, Western Africa. For those that are able to watch the event, you always see you also Biafra flag flying there, alongside with American flag and pictures of these great leaders. One thing I just want to tell my fellow citizens is that please, if you are one of those that are sabotaging Biafra, stop. Stop for your own benefit. Stop for your own goodness, because it will not be well with you. Along the line, you will have injury. Along the line, you will be hurt one way or the other. It might not be now. Now you might be smiling, sabotaging this great movement, doing whatever you can. But along the road, you will be injured. I received series of messages from one of those.
Series of messages, okay? Meaning that basically multiple times. Now I get it. Okay? Listen.
That are accompanying Ngozi Orabeze to destroy this great cause, this great fight. They be sending me messages to please forgive, please, that I will find a place in my heart to forgive them.
Nobody send you anything. Nobody messaged this guy. Nobody. Okay, Nkre, that we all know. he don't even mind to bribe the person to come out and say it, right? And he will be threatening the person. If you don't say it, I will publish your message. He record everybody that is in contact with him, let alone those that test him. Do you understand what I'm talking about? This guy is a mafia. He can do that. And he's here telling you that somebody. So since when did you learn how to? This is when you learn how to did you learn how to cover somebody or like how to live normal life? No. You will publish it. You will force the person to come and say it publicly, and who is actually the person that is with USB that will not go to you and start begging you. Begging you for what? For what exactly? Because I am yet to understand the crime of USB government that this guy and Dabri, they are working, doing strong head. They want to sue. I want to know what exactly is the problem. Is it Briggy logo? Like last time I checked, that is one of the reasons why you want to sue Biafran, because you said they are using Briggy name, Briggy logo. That means Biafran have to. I'm not talking about USB now. Biafran should come together and forget about USB and sue you. Why? Because you deceived us. You deceived Biafrans as a Briggy. You deceived us. If that is the case, because you made us to cast votes that you are going to declare Biafra. You gave us date to declare Biafra. You now using the Briggy to fight those to declare Biafra simply means you deceived the entire nation. You deceived the entire nation. And that's why I said I want USB government and cabinet member to sit up on this case. I understand the side of PM. As a leader, you need to make peace. I told us yesterday, this is my own instinct, and why Isocha is running her mouth thinking that she knows what she's doing. Because PM could be the reason why USB government have not moved out to deal with that. Nobody tell me anything. This is my instinct. Because for PM to give Nkre instruction to withdraw the case, and he's running helter-skelter, they are trying to make the people are panicking. It's not about panicking, it's about protecting the unity and the interest of the federal government in exile from get-go, not your interest, okay, correct? You told all Biafrans to cast votes for self-referendum, that with that you declare Biafra. Okay, Nkre, let me ask you, have you declared Biafra? Have you declared Biafra? Because you guys used to say that the Professor Yorubi, not Yorubi, Chomo Koma, and her husband, that they are the one that declared Biafra. Today they are not with you. So have you declared Biafra? Okay. Have you declared Biafra? And what was the reason why? What was the reason why everybody that you guys claim that declared Biafra, like me, the person that declared Biafra is COS? It's not even a question. I just want to descend to too low to the level of your members who don't think. COS declared Biafra, but during the time of you guys trying to lay hand on something, you claim that Bryce Lokoma is the one that declared Biafra. Today, none of them are with you, and you have the temerity to sue people to court. The question is, what was the intention? What did the Briggy that you claim that you are the armor bearer of Briggy now, right? What did you guys tell us? What was the message? The message was, you are organizing this self-referendum for Biafran to cast their vote, for you to declare Biafra. And everybody bought into that. And after declaring Biafra, you using the Briggy now to attack that declaration. That means you sabotage everybody. So we also need to demand something from you. If at all Briggy belong to you, that's what I'm talking about. Because you need to also prove that how Briggy become your own. And what is the journey to form Briggy? People that we are suing to court now started from autopilot. I don't want to talk about IPOB. You see, you are not making IPOB DOS look so innocent and so sensible, because none of them sued PM. Even Masnamkano's brother were threatening PM. Remove most PM from you. Remove his picture from what you are doing. Even the master prophet was one of those campaigning for that, and they couldn't succeed. And none of them sued PM for using Mastercard or using IPB. Or they are busy going everywhere to submit document that he's not a member, he's not our member. That was when they made oath taking as the validation to become a member of IPB, which I asked, how can you use that as a yardstick when you guys, we always come out and tell your friend to come and donate money? After telling people that what makes you IPB is how many oaths you have taken. Depending on it. If you have taken 7 oaths or 100 oaths or 1 million oaths, the more you take oath, the more IPB you become. And that's what they want us to know. But when it has to do with donation and fundraising, oh, you know, you all of us definitely need to come together. We are one. You see the craziness of them, but they are still better than you, though. They have not taken anybody to court for using IPOB anything whatsoever. Are you getting it? Because they know the truth. So when you hear about bringing government, it's not bringing company. It's a government that has to do with the people, the race, and the nation. So our land cannot be under your map. I said the time with that number. So you, as a government, you register this as a corporate entity, as a private business. Fine, but you need to act, know your limits. Self-referendum that people voted is for what? Since you are now representing Brig, tell us what was the original plan and how are you now carrying people along based on the date that you gave to us? How did you declare Biafra? If yes, then what are you doing? Did you tell us that you're going to declare Biafra to remain in Brig? The answer is no. And if you say yes, you did, they will bring the video. I know then you have to go back to PM, right? That PM will said then that PM also said now drop the case. You know, when I don't understand, it's not about you. You say people are begging you for what? Who are you to beg for? I wonder what, honestly, unless if there's anything that USB committed against you, against the movement that is, but if this thing that we know, you go nowhere. But I can go where was not gonna talk. In a way, I can go where it got a court win. How about another lawsuit? Crime give believe and your videos, yeah. Anyway, let's go.
But I don't know why people like that don't want to come publicly.
He wanted to come publicly
to talk to Biafrans.
Because there's nobody
to educate Biafrans, to tell Biafrans that they have misguided Biafrans.
Yeah.
To let Biafrans know that once upon a time, they commit crime against Biafrans. If you're one of those that are sending me message, this is from it. This is not a good time for that.
Nobody sending you
what is right.
Don't lie.
Make a U-turn.
Bring it out.
And do all the nonsense. I received a message this morning. Not just that, a lot of messages. But the one of this morning, this person made it clear. He said, please, I should be sorry. I should try to forgive. Whatever they did not do it to Maz Yogichukwu Nkre.
I'm not this guy. Do you remember you are just a common finance minister? You know why I say common? Because you don't even know that job. You did not even perform well as a finance minister because you have no record of transaction. Nothing. You own a and if I get good, it don't pass in a case of the money. What makes you think that the guy called what name of this guy? The one that said that he's PM to PM. What is how? Why is it? Why am I struggling to remember his name now? Success. You are still working with the success because cover me, I cover you. Tactics is still on between Guinea.
They offend the Biafran people. They betray the Biafran people. They kill Biafran people. It's heartbreaking that after these people has caused this destruction, now they don't want to face the law. They don't want to go there and prove that they are innocent. They don't want to go there and say they are not guilty. If they are not guilty of the crime.
It's not they don't want to go, but once you start, it's that mark. once initiate that this thing that I go now, the mark will never be. It will be difficult to wipe it off. Him and it believe. Elias wechiri ukwu n'ime ọfịa ọkwụrụkwụ ya niile anọcha n'ime ọfịa ka mgba ụkpaka ịma mgba ụkpaka na that park na-etiti ụkpaka na ọ dry ha n'ụtọ ọnụ nọchala na Elias na-agwa gị ya bụ ife ịgwakwara na ebe isi bịa dọrọ ka ebe o si bịa once a ga-ewe ha na first court case sitting break when a record something that Ojukwu did not do was really did not do that. PM did not a matter of nobody have done that. And that is the correction that USB have taken. Even though I am not somehow part of what Waisocha is saying, even I'm saying against you, because when we're talking about Waisocha being sued, you yourself were part of what you are going to benefit from that. Okay, we are campaigning that nobody should tag any Biafra, whether you are supporting Biafra downwards, you are supporting it upwards, whether you are supporting it from Bush. I don't care. All right. What I don't want to hear is somebody calling you a terrorist. I don't like it. I don't like to hear anybody calling it's better you call him a native doctor. That's who he is. Say it, just use what he is. Mazakwa is a native doctor in disguise. All right. I don't want anybody to call him a terrorist because he's not. Not even US. Is that one? Calling her a terrorist is an insult. That is what problem I have with why you search. She can rant, she can say it, but you see the issue of terrorist. That is what I personally, I'm speaking for myself, please. I'm not representing government, I'm not in government. But I'm telling you, as a human being, I don't like it. I don't want to see anybody calling anybody terrorist. One, because people who want to exterminate you from this planet Earth, they want to use that to justify that extermination. And that is what they use now, they are using now to see if they're going to put PM to the number of years they want, which is not heard of, and something that is not. That's why when you see DOS and all these useless people calling and shouting PM is a terrorist and all this nonsense, it is very, very bad. But you all know what I'm talking about. So how can you criticize those of them doing that and begin to clap for another person doing the same thing that you are criticizing? It's not good at all. So if USB if they don't want to further the lawsuit of White, I'm okay with it. There's no problem. If they want to go all out on that, no problem. But her own and your own is different. So don't equate two of them. They are not the same. They are very, very different things. Why Isocha is living in a different world. It's not at all. Your own is that you believe that you want to remain in Briggy because of you want to be relevant. And you know that USB government don't have room for your nonsensical plan and all that. So I understand. So people calling you a criminal is different from calling you a terrorist. And I can't fight anybody calling you a criminal, but I can fight people that call you a terrorist. Because in but you don't want to listen. All these people, those women now what if I past and now common sense, they are the one clapping for you. Maybe we are gonna get the top, but just listen.
The alleged or the crime they committed, let them go and face the law. Ngozora Beze, they have cried publicly talking about Udogu saying we should withdraw the lawsuit. But when they was committing all this crime,
she wasn't crying.
They don't know a day like this is coming.
She have never cried about it. And one thing you need to understand that now, what I don't know, you think that she's the one crying. At the end of the day, it may be that she has been crying for your sake.
All of you that are following the sinking ship of those fallen angel, desist from your evil way.
You know, this guy always, I've noticed that for some time now, he trying to mistake his group to USB. Do you know what he wanted to say now? He wanted to say fall back. The other day he even called them. I intentionally don't want to use that to mock him because I just see it as this is a normal thing to have a slip of tongue. But I think he appreciates that word, fall back republic, that I gave you, because I'm the one that we gave him that name. Fall back republic. You are trying to use it now, right? Because you understand what you are, because you cannot tell me that you know yourself more than we do. Only God knows you more than you yourself know yourself. He knows you more than you know yourself, but you know yourself more than we do. So I'm happy that you understand that the short form of, in summary, what you are doing is an attitude of fallback republic. That's what you can see from them, and you are helping us spreading that name. Very, very good.
Evil will pay you no good. Evil will hurt you. Do you all think if we Biafrans that represent Biafrans 2 days ago, if we are terrorists, if we are criminals, do you all think we will be boldly to go to Washington, D.C.? The room where we have our hearing 2 days ago,
So the question is true or not? It depends on your crime. It depends on the criminality. If your crime is about, you are carrying that that criminality on your own people, that has nothing to do with the Americans. Of course, you can go there. As long as they're not affecting America, you can go there. After all, you're a black man. So what do you expect? A black man carrying out crime against another black is understandable before the white. So don't take it twisted. We don't know. Look at the government of Africans, Tinubu and the rest of them. Are they not going to the White House? Are they not criminals? Think about it. Don't pretend that you don't know what I'm talking about.
America is not broke. United States is the leader of this free world, whether you like it or not. All enemies of America, I'm telling you now. Both enemies of Biafra. How much are you going to pay them to rent that room? Government of America don't rent any facility of the government. So
another lie from Ogen. I told you that we are going to expose them, right? He said America don't rent any. They don't rent apartment, right? They don't rent anything. They do rent. They do rent. Take a look at the document, before you hear on the screen. So let's go through it for you to know they rent something. And Nkre lied here. He said they don't rent. They do rent, like I said. Our neighbor Duku self. How to organize congressional briefing? They started by telling you that it's a congressional hearing. So when the lawmakers couldn't make it, because they understand that this guy is just Elias and their group are just forming, using them for something, for something else. Don't worry, we are going to expose more things about that congressional briefing, the hearing, the court briefing. It was hearing the advertisement before that day was all written hearing. And we have talked about this, but for the sake of those of you that were unable to watch that video, because I know that many of you don't watch all we do here. Some do, and that's why they understand what they're doing very, very well. He said, how to organize a congressional briefing. Congressional briefings can be a good way to communicate information to policy makers, being the congressmen in America. Okay, briefings are a little bit like a mini lecture on a specific topic. You can have 1 or 2 or 3 experts presenting information in a style understandable to a layman audience. It helps to have handouts handout, flyers, just a brief document, a short note information that they can take home and all that. So it helps to have handouts and or PowerPoint presentation using projector, okay, to display something on a using projector, and to give it to details your information and lecture your audience in a very, very detailed way. So PowerPoint presentation in addition to the talk, so that attendees have some written information to take home, to take with them. Yeah. Why it is unusual to get senators legacy. It is unusual. That's when you have this kind of congressional briefing. Congressman or worker. Try China, they couldn't make it. Then, but maybe they are aware that maybe out of it, maybe something happened and they are not there. Even if they are aware, maybe they don't want to be present. Because if they want to be present, they would have given you dates to fix that your congressional briefing. Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a haste? Okay, that travel there, having scheduled meeting program, don't know that Congress people are having voting or whatever, because he tried to justify that in this video, which we are going to get to that part very soon. But I want to put it out there now, so that when he said that, you can connect the dots. That all this simply means that congressmen are not willing to be there. Okay? So forget about their having been voting that day. They were so busy. If they were busy, why don't you change the date? You should have changed the date when they are free. Okay? Now, he said, you should have those things, those information, so that people that attend that lecture will have something to go home with. Okay? He said, why it is unusual to get senators and representatives themselves to attend briefings. It is unusual. This is not their thing. They don't stoop too low to this kind of stuff. So, but the best way to let them know that somebody like you exists around is congressional briefing in a stylish way, by making sure that you establish the principles and the role to play, everything to get it done the way it's been stipulated here. Because they said you have to use presentation, handout, and all that. Okay, they don't have all those things. What are they even talking about? Watch what they said. They keep on saying the history, that even some of the congressmen can say this history better than Nkre. Because they read about Africa, they know what happened. The Biafran issue is not something that congressmen and women will be struggling to know. I don't think so. Unless if those young ones that are just maybe in their 40s, in their hair. But you see all those people like what is the name of this? That one of the congressmen that is the Republican, no, the Democrat, okay, that contested once at a time, but he failed in the primary. What is the name of that guy? That man, I've forgotten. He's a very, very, very matured man, not a young person. He should be in his 60s to 70s, if I'm not mistaken. All right? That man, I'm talking, please, saying the age based on the look, or please, I may be wrong. Something Sanda. So I think Sanda or Sandra. I can't remember. I don't hope I pronounce it well. That is the man I'm talking about. That kind of person should know a lot. She's in the position to know a lot about Africa. So they could tell the story of Biafran better than Nkre. Can he explain? Can he express himself? He said here, health, that is health staffs, okay, staffers will regularly be sent in their seated as a way for members to stay informed on issue of the day. People that work there will be in that briefing to pick one or two things that they're going to convey to members of the Congress. But in Nkre, nobody is like that. Nobody. He said, briefing because this is the part that actually made me to bring this again, this paragraph here. He said that they don't rent anything, that America is not broke. It's not about being broke, but being realistic, making sure that you say it the way it is. If you like, you can say they are broke or not. It doesn't concern American government. They have made the law. Here he said briefings for 75 congressional staff can range from $2,000 to $3,000 in cost, depending on whether it is a buffet or sitting down venue. Are you getting the point? So it depends on the kind of the one Ogo did is a sitting down. You can see the price. But what did this guy said here? That nobody rent, and they don't rent. So he went there because American government was, so eager to hear about Biafra. Anyway, let's continue. I'm just saying, because why what you need to understand, it's not about being exposed. I'm not exposing our people, our brothers, no. But even Nigerian government or lovers of Nigerian government, they know all those things. So when each time you keep on lying like this, they know that there's no way you can fight for freedom with this level of lies that is ahead of. So that's why they won't take anybody serious. Look at it on the screen. I just highlight it. This is, but the man said that nobody rent anything. Now let's go back.
You must have a congressional approval from any of the Congress, from any of the committee before you can use such precious place. We made history 2 days ago, whether you like it or not. If you don't like it, go and jump inside lagoon. If you don't like it, go and drink acid. Because we are moving forward. We don't care whoever that will stand our way, we'll crush that person. And if you are one of those that are mocking what we are doing, we are not joking. What goes around will come back around. Karma is real. You will be hurt. Support this freedom. And I want to use the opportunity to appreciate, first of all, those that live all across the world. Will never forget of this free world, whether you like it or not, or enemy. A lot of messages. But the one of this morning,
I want to go back so you can hear that part where he said that they don't rent house. They don't rent
innocent.
No.
He's not strong enough. He made it there. What about our sister, Chinya? He's not strong enough. He made it there. What about our sister, Chinya? The list goes on. Thank you all. Biafrans appreciate you all. From the bottom of our heart, we say thank you. We'll never forget. Time will come. All these people that are mocking us, all these people that look at us and spit in front of the pioneers of Biafra that are fighting genuinely. Time is coming and it's fast approaching. Just like the messages I'm receiving every day. Say, please, Mazioge, please forgive, forget. I should find a place in my heart to forgive them everything they have done. These people, they have come publicly to condemn their action. They have not. They run to do whatever I can to stop. Holding them accountable. The era of accountability have come. Everyone that come to stop this great movement, we will crush you. Some of us will work 24 hours to make sure our people is free. Some of us
I did not trace that part. Let me go back. Let's see if I can get it.
And jump inside lagoon. If you don't like it, go and jump inside lagoon. Now you might be smiling, sabotaging this great movement, doing whatever you can. Do you think we will be boldly to go to Washington, D.C.? The room where we have our hearing 2 days ago, America is not broke.
Okay.
United States is the leader of this free world, whether you like it or not. All enemies of America, I'm telling you now. Both enemies of Biafra. How much are you going to pay them to rent that room? Government of America don't rent any facility of the government to the public. You must have a congressional approval.
So when I tell you that this guy is a father of all lies, don't joke, don't doubt me. Go and Google this out, and you will find out whether it is true or not. This is my own findings, and you can see, like I've told you, time without the number. They even mentioned the number of the people, okay, and how much you need to pay is here. Not me. This is not my website. From Google, you see it there, but it's here telling that no payment, no payment. Okay, for this, and maybe he don't know that people have time to check all those things. Anyway,
the Congress from any of the committee before you can use such precious place. We made history 2 days ago, whether you like it or not. If you don't like it, go and jump inside lagoon. If you don't like it, go and drink acid.
I don't have time for that.
Because we are moving forward.
Respond to this nonsense.
We don't care.
So let's move.
No matter how they beg you, let the woman go and stand before the judge and defend herself. We are
because you are the one Nkre is working for now. Those criminals. Listen, this court case, I don't know why some of them believe that it is done and dusted. I don't know why, but maybe this time we're gonna know, because these of us now, they don't want to drop it, so it's going to hold. But like I said, I would like to know why you told us to, because we are not the brig. You say you are the brig. Nobody is brig apart from you. You were going to explain to Biafrans why you conduct self-referendum. You promise that you are going to redeclare Biafra, and you are not. you are not getting anything. Anyway, let's continue.
I strongly support, and I'm sure that every one of us here agree that this woman should go to court. Whoever is begging, it is of no use, because we need to use her and set.
Nobody is begging anything. They are setting an example when you are leader, when your leader is a criminal, a man who hijack and change documents, who kick PM out, and not have proven that the reason why he kicked him out because it doesn't matter. He's irrelevant and inconsequential to him. That's why he don't want to take his instruction. As simple as that. You are here talking about criminality when you are the one harboring a criminal. What is the office of AP? Where was the office of APM before PM was when PM was here? Have you asked yourself that question? You undermine this fact that COS is there. You guys are
so that others will learn and know that sabotage cannot be without punishment. So thank you so much, my APM, for all the good works you are doing. Thank you, all the ministers and cabinet members here. We appreciate all your effort. And with this, I want to drop my little donation of
competition. China. Right with the president of this free world. When you see, and some people are still asking, I don't know what's wrong with some. I don't know. Please, Biafra is here. We got to go.
Yes, sir.
Why would somebody choose to be Dundee forever? Tomorrow you start blaming Fulani. Fulani people that some of them will know who they are. Some live in the bush, they sleep. Or some spend over decades of living with cattle in some thick forest, bush, whatever you call it. They are not people that really live normal life like us. They don't have the same ideology like us. They don't like education. We do. We love everything goodable, everything good life. We love civilization. This group of Nigerian system and the Fulani, they want to take us back to back in BC. If America don't recognize you yet, you're going nowhere. Nowhere.
The great country, United States of America, we still calling upon you to do the right thing, to recognize Biafra. Place all the saboteur, make a U-turn. Your evil way will take you nowhere. And for those that are laughing at us, we will know who will laugh last. Please kindly.
Nobody's laughing at you. You are the one mocking and laughing at yourself and disgracing Biafrans. That is just a fact.
Support like never before.
No.
Biafra is here, and what we are doing will help the release of our Prime Minister and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case, I'm going to visit it very soon. We will dive into the matter. Let's know where the problem is coming from. If it is from the so-called lawyers, if it is from the legal teams, or it's from his brother, we will dive in very soon. Enough of this nonsense. And we'll tell them our stand. If they can't defend our leader, let them get the hell out of them or get out. Because everything that they are doing, there's no headway. For how long now? Enough is
this our brother, he actually believed that when he talk, the word listen, that kind of thing. In his mind, this guy sees himself as people have gathered and waiting for him to talk. That what his, almighty Nkre say something.
Enough. We'll be holding people accountable. And for those crying, running to Abatobie for help, so we can drop the lawsuit. Please, Honorable Minister of Information, I know we have about 57 in this Zoom meeting here. I'm going to want us to do a quick vote. Please, if you're in support of dropping the lawsuit against the evil people that have come to destroy Brigitte, to destroy Biafra, to stop us from getting free, those that have come to disrupt, if you against them, raise up your hand. If you want us to drop the lawsuit, bring your hand down. If you don't want us to drop the lawsuit, raise your hand. If you don't want us to hold them accountable, every evil people, it don't matter if I'm...
Now, hold it there. The person not going to mom, right? Forget about that. This doesn't carry any water. This is what he was born to do, to fuel problem in the midst of genuine people. All right? You don't understand the reason why PM actually asked them to stop. Ọnụ abịarọbụ ọnụ gbara aka. Mba, ọnụ agarọbụ ọnụ gbara aka, meaning that if you open your mouth and call me, insult me, you cannot go without receiving something from my own mouth. My mouth also will give you back what you are going to go with. I can say, no, baraka. Here is Shine Baby, the one they call Shine Baby. I hope I'm right. Or is there another person or somebody using her picture? I thought this person with this lady with Nkre. Let me zoom it. Hold on. I thought it was Imam Adabo Eggman. I don't know. It looked like her. Please, if you can see it, you can also put this person here with the eyeglass. Is that not the one they call Shine Baby? Now, they raise their hands up, and 2/3 of these people with Nkre are formerly DOS members. 2/3, meaning that if you divide them into three, two out of the three group were not here before. They met from somewhere, from underground, in Kiru of this world, Helen Peters, Betty Ford. All right, many at least go on and on. Many of them are those who that don't want to. She's a woman. She's this. She's that. Like I said, time will tell. The question is for you to see how dubious and senseless Nkre is. PM is the founder of the brigade from autopilot, not you. He appointed you as a finance minister. He gave you some assignment to carry out, like resident agent, because you live in US, so that when they say go and sign this for us, you do it on behalf of brigade, not on behalf of your private company. To prove that you have been answerable to PM from get-go, he asked you a question in one of the cabinet meetings. What is your take about what happened between Sona Parawa and other people in the cabinet? I've forgotten the raid case, the main topic of that program. And you said, PM, you are my leader. If you say it's right, it's right. If you say it's wrong, it means that it was Uche Kakagio, number one. You gave PM that respect, right? Because he is your leader, you're a followership. You're just a follower. Then now PM gave you order to do something, you said no. Instead of you have two choices: to disobey PM or to do what he said. You started dragging. The question is, are you working for them or you're working under PM? Have you created your own, that this is your own citizens now? Because you are still talking about brigade. Does it mean that if PM will want to sue you now, after telling you to withdraw, you said no? What if PM now sue you with his COS, that you hijacked the brigade that he formed and gave you because the video is there. You don't have those videos. That's why each time that she has brought out some of the video, you begin to run head scatter. Okay, this one, this criminal here said that they are committing treasonable offense. Treasonable offense. The same people who went on to brought out video of Adadorama when they sacked her, when they suspend her. I hope you are following what I'm saying. They will commit this sin and say this one is genuine, the other one is wrong. Now, no Nkre. These people that you told to raise hand now, is this the people that vote self-referendum on that brigade? Are they the people that vote? 50 million Biafran voted. So where's this 50 million? Is it this? Is it 75 or 85? Yeah, I can't remember the number figure you mentioned. Just hear yourself and how senseless you are. And all of them have criminal minded. For example, here is Betty Ford changing her name now to Betty Ada Biafra. From I don't know if they want to commit crime, they begin to change the name. Like Sona Parawa from day one is his name is Archibald something. Anek Archibald. Is it Anek Anam? I don't know what it is. Archibald. Then he joined Biafran and nicknamed himself to Sonny. They will even form. They not only they change one name, they will form the original name, first name and second name. Sometimes even third name, all fake. And they want you to obey, to listen, to follow. I hope you are following what I'm saying. Hear him again.
One, it don't matter if PM, it don't matter if
oh my God.
If you want Biafra to hold anybody accountable that have come to destroy us, raise up your hand.
Anyway, hand bless you.
If you want Biafra to hold every evil person that have come to destroy our freedom, if you want us to hold every evil person accountable, raise up your hand.
Away. APM, hand plenty.
Raise up your hand.
In any up hand. When they now fight PM in 2024, February, January, most of them are on Twitter calling him obedient. I still have screenshots of some of them. When this Biafran government was formed and registered, they were not there to be found. Sona Parawa became information minister because people that were supposed to take the position left. And he left and he quickly joined back on time. Nobody knew that this guy is as criminal. Though somebody this is why somebody that have worked with Nigerian police to that with no issue I'm talking about the name Roger Me. Nana 2020 naira na post na also. Money Kalo na southeast or maybe within southern part of Nigeria. For them to repent is very, very difficult. And if somebody want to marry my sister, my relatives, and I notice that you have served as a Nigerian police, resigned or sacked, I will think twice before it happen. You know why? Why? Because especially, I'm talking about they are not checkpoint. They are worst. Their criminal, their criminal mindset cannot be wiped off. Only the maybe Pokumuyi, Ibo Adiboye, Ibo Mafadambaka, all of them to start praying for the person. They don't even some of the name I called like Adiboye. I don't know. I don't trust him. But that's a story for another day, though. Don't mind me. Now, their mind, their sense of reasoning, and their criminal tendency cannot be manipulated. You can't change it. You can't thwart it. They always live with it. So now Barawa is here. Allegedly, he has served as a police officer in Nigeria. I don't know how true this is that, but he behaved like one. Because they can pretend and wait until that time they will strike. Once you want to catch them, they begin to make some funny argument. That like the one he did in one of the PM program. PM, are you saying that if you are not here, Ngozi should be the one in charge? A COS. That question made me to pause and felt like this guy knew that PM will have problem. Maybe it's just a coincidence, but that question is suspicious, whether you like it or not.
Anybody?
Not everybody is physically present by their phone.
Yeah, this is APM. Wait,
one thing is that you know why this lady said something? Because if you have noticed, there's a part, so nobody will drag it there. Some people did not raise hand. He have to go down and begin to locate where this ones are so that he can look if them. Otherwise, let him flip up and on. Then flip it very well. Let us see up and down. Let us see. You see, people. That's why this one say not everybody is with it, is active with the phone. So what are they doing in this Zoom meeting? You are not active on your phone, but you are there. Not one, not two, not three. The same reason that not everybody, all of them want this thing. Just like some people in USB, there are some saboteurs, of course. Like I said, Bible made it clear. In every gathering of 12, there must be Judas. So don't expect that everybody in USB are just loyal to USB. Some of them are helping, looking forward to leak out.
We will record this outcome of this vote today. Tomorrow again in the town hall meeting, we will cast the vote again. We will be casting this vote for the next 2 weeks. And we'll be keeping the record for everybody. We'll be publishing it. So
No. You are now the president of Brigi and everything. You should organize the same self-referendum you did before. Listen, you guys are still getting it wrong. How many of us are in your Zoom? Do you know how many people that voted on that many of us? Like people preaching for people to go and vote. Self-referendum is no violence. Just we can vote yes or no. Sharing the link, many people did it. You have to organize it again. After all, you are the president now. Organize it again. And during the course of organizing it, you must get people, from USB and any other group, like Imam Madabu group. You have to have a representative to determine this, because you cannot use it to deceive people. And for the fact that this guy said that he's going to bring it for 2 weeks now, I will be saying this for 2 weeks. You need to bring it. Teach Biafrans how to. Everyone will be a partaker to this. It's not about criminal from DOS jumping from window and from roof. I don't blame Sona Parawan much about this. I don't blame even Nkre. Imam Madabu should report his sold. Imam Madabu is the cause of one of the major cause of this nonsense. He's the one that started creating the APM office. Where's Imam Madabu today? I don't even blame. I don't know. Imam Madabu should be held responsible to all this nonsense going on. When you don't have issue with Imam Adabu, I don't think you have issue with COS from get-go. I don't know. But for you to stoop too low, to begin to have backyard meeting after meeting, building kabat your age is disgraceful. Very, very disgraceful. And look at it now. DOS that failed everywhere to do. The agenda and the template is to make sure that everything PM built, to rubbish it. And they're using a man who cannot articulate anything. He is in front line leading this kind of gang group. And Sonak Barawa, of course, his own is just to put something. As long as money is clicking in his account, he's good to go. Why wouldn't he support Ogekere when no other person will give him what Ogekere is giving to him? And he's very secretive. If Ogekere sends $3,000 every month to him, he will keep the secret. That's what Ogekere loves so much. Don't leak my flop. You know, I am a Kaba builder. Just allow it to go. We are here together. Are we in the same boat? Yes, okay, move on. Okoresa. Oye na nabo 2020 na shape on key na bring $9 now. That's what he was a former police officer in Nigeria, allegedly. So what do you expect? Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue because I'm gonna write with one down, and the video, like I said, is very long already, which is not my plan, but I have to do it because I don't want to run live program on this.
Honorable Love, please take note of the outcome of this voting. I'm going to count.
Make a screenshot of it.
Oh my God.
If you're
Eating pataka. This thing is valueless. Okay? It's either you obey PM or you say you don't want to obey. Forget about this nonsense you are doing. Like I said, USB government should also begin to compile their own lawsuit. Let me be the first to champion that. As long as they insist on going to court, prepare another lawsuit. I'm going to wait for us. I want people to think I'm not giving order or command, I'm just pleading. I wish that you guys can buy into what I just said about the organizing self-referendum. That Nkre claimed that he's now the apple of the briggy, right? He's the apple eyes. He's the lover of the briggy. He's the owner and the president of briggy, right? In absence of PM, the promises that briggy made, which you claim that you belong to you now, was to declare USB as a government. And he formed a committee that will facilitate the new government in USB government. Right? The video and everything is intact. Now you claiming that you have changed the residential agent and everything, apart from you manipulating the document, you also went on trying to pollute everything that PM have built by now saying you are the owner of everything, and by so doing, self-referendum that Briggy promised Biafrans that made 50 millions of Biafrans to cast the vote. Okay, because you want to declare Biafra. And after declaring it, you now use the same Briggy to rubbish that declaration. So deceive, you know that their deception, you need, as a Briggy, you need to explain it. My own take, because I don't think it has to do with the PM. PM is not here now that the man has hijacked it, or maybe he's going to help to explain to Nkre in law court, because Elias don't know those things. His own is to receive $10,000 a month. If we at least if anything happen now, he's trending with caution. He don't appear much now. He's not involved in many things. They are looking at their back in their activities with Nkre. Remember the lies Nkre told you, the reason why cabinet members, and because I skipped that part, the reason why they did not come to his what is it called, congressional briefing, which is so he said initially is hearing, is because they were too busy, and if they are busy truly, why do you fix the date when they are busy? You visit them often, so you don't know the activities of congressmen. Are you saying you're sitting at your all this handshake you are seeing is Photoshop? Because for you to go to Congress to meet congressmen, you should know the date and everything they're doing. So you are acting as if you fix the date without even knowing the activities of the congressmen of the week, for that week or for the month. It doesn't make any sense. This is another exposition that people need to start. You need to start picking on it. Like I said, because of what Sona Brother said here, we'll keep on bringing this, okay, talking about it. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, put on comment section, I did. so that you know how many of you that watch the video to this part, to the ending part. Put on comment I did. I will mark your names and I will keep you for a reason. If you have watched this video to this part, because this is one of the longest video, one of the longest, if not the longest video that I've ever recorded here on this platform. 1 hour, I can see 1 hour 9 minutes. So if I've watched it to this part, it should be 1 hour 10 minutes and some seconds before we end. If I watch to this part, put on comment, yes, I watch it to the end. Kai report, something like that, so that we know that you watched it. God bless you and make sure you like the video, share it on many platforms of your choice. See you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.